A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to the next topic, that is about care of magnets and uses of magnets. First, let's discuss with care of magnets. So, how we need to take care of magnets? So, magnets can lose their magnetism over time. So, what is the meaning of magnetism? Magnetism means the ability to attract. So, over time, magnets lose their magnetism. So, to avoid that, what all steps we need to do? How we need to take care of magnets? So, to avoid that, magnets must be stored with their opposite poles beside each other. That is the first thing that we need to see. That is, the magnets must be stored with their opposite poles beside each other. And the other important thing is that the magnets should not be brought near the fire because it can lose their magnetism. So, a magnet should not be taken near heat as it loses its magnetism. And the another thing is that a magnet should not be hammered or should not be dropped on a hard surface. That is the third thing. That is, a magnet should not be hammered or it should not be dropped on a hard surface. So, magnets can lose its magnetism over time. So, we need to take care of magnets. The next thing is uses of magnets. So, what are the different uses of magnets? The first thing is that a magnetic compass is used to know the direction. A compass pointing north-south direction. So, a magnetic compass is an instrument that is used for finding direction. And the magnetic compass, it has a needle which is a magnet and it always points in the north-south direction. And this magnetic compass, it is very helpful to sailors and explorers to travel where landmarks are not given. That is the first use of a magnet. The second one is magnets are used in several gadgets. So, we use different electronic gadgets like telephone, television, digital cameras, etc. And magnets are used in several gadgets. And another important thing is, you all have seen an ATM card and it has a magnetic strip, right? So, information is stored in the magnetic strip in the credit card and ATM cards. The next one is separation of magnetic substances. So, the next use of magnets are, they are used for separating magnetic substances. So, when industries that are dealing with metal products like iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, so how these objects can be separated? How these metal objects can be separated? So, the metal objects are separated from waste by using a large electromagnet attached to a crane. So, how magnetic materials are separated? By using a large electromagnet that is attached to a crane. And the scrap that is separated is used to make other metal objects. So, these are some of the different uses of a magnet. Now, you have an activity in page number 185, that is the projects on, and you can do the second one, that is the magnetic strips. So, you can go through the question, read the question carefully and do accordingly. So, once you are done, you can submit in Microsoft Teams. So, we are done with the 13th chapter. You can go through the exercise in page number 182 to 184 and try completing the exercise. So, we will meet in the next class and we will start a new chapter. Till then, thank you.